If you feel stuck, unmotivated, or your life is just on pause, this video is your reset button. Because in the next 7 days, I'll show you exactly how to rebuild your focus, gain more clarity, and build momentum completely from zero. I feel like everyone hits a point where life just feels heavy. Like you wake up tired, you go to college, you go to work, you come back even more tired, and then you scroll, you procrastinate, and then you're like, where is that disciplined version of me? Where is that focus and drive that I used to have? And if you're one of them, this video is for you, because I've built a 7-day plan that will restart your life from scratch. Without further ado, let's start with day 1, that is reset your space. Now think of this, your room is your brain. If your room is messy, if your room is cluttered, so is your brain. Clean up your room and that's going to clean your brain. And to clean your room, you can start with your desk. Remove all the unnecessary books that you have. Clean your keyboard. Pile up all the necessary books that you can see I've done it here. Clean up your desktop, your screen, your desk itself. Try to have very less objects on your desk, because the more objects that you have, the more things that you're going to look at and the more confused your brain gets. So here's a rule of thumb. Try to keep a laptop, your book, a notebook, and there's a keyboard, mouse. That's it. Try to have very less things on your desk is going to help you a lot with mental clarity. Then move to your room. Clean out all the corners, remove all the piled up clothes that you have, all the tangled cables, everything. Keep it as clear and minimal as you can. Then we move on to day 2, which is reset your body. No, I won't ask you to go to the gym, do 500 push-ups and all of that intense workout. It is very simple. Go out on a walk. If you have a pet, you can do that with your pet as well. So just go out, don't listen to music, don't talk to your friend on call, just be with yourself. Give that environment, give that space for your thoughts to come out, so you can just interact with yourself. This is very important because we live in a world, especially our generation, we live in a world where we consume a lot of things from everywhere. There's constant notifications, there's TV screens playing cartoons and movies all day. So try to give 10 to 15 minutes where you're just with yourself. Let your thoughts come to you, and trust me, this is going to just clear out all the mess that you have in your head. Now before we move on to day 3, I just want to give a disclaimer. This video is just an intro or a trailer to the actual ultimate 7-day reset, where I talk in detail about every single day. There are many challenges, many goals, you have scientific facts that I talk about, and all of that is completely for free. So if you want to grab them, go to the link in the description, get yourself a free copy and start your 7-day reset today. So with day 3, we have reset your focus. This day is going to be a little uncomfortable because you have to get out of your comfort zone. And as a Gen Z kid, I can tell you how attached we are to our phones and social medias especially, but we have to go through a digital detox. Not forever, but just for few days, just to give ourselves that time to get our mental clarity back. So our first step is going to be to remove all the notifications that you have. You can keep few notifications like Gmail or other important apps, but when it comes to social media, turn off all the notifications. If you are willing to do it, you can also delete a social media app. So I do not have Instagram on my phone. I deleted that recently, and it is literally a game changer. The best part is that you save so much time. When you're scrolling, you do not realize how much time you're wasting. But once you come out of it, you look back and be like, damn, there's so much time. I was just mindlessly scrolling. So if you could, you can delete the app, or best is to mute all of your notifications. You can even keep your phone out of your room if that helps you. Now, as a Gen Z kid, I know how hard it is to just completely delete a social media app, and that is why I kept day 4, which is to reset your input. If you do not want to completely delete any social media app, it's fine. All you have to do is reset the kind of feed that the algorithm gives you. So what you can do now is go to your Instagram, go to the explore section, see the kind of reels that you get. This is the kind of content that you're consuming daily, and usually it's all brain rot content which doesn't make sense at all, but it's funny and that's why we consume it. So whenever you come across that kind of content, you can just hit on the 3 dots and click not interested. This way the algorithm knows that it shouldn't suggest you more of these reels, and whenever you see a reel that actually benefits you and takes you closer to your goal, you can again click on the 3 dots and click on interested. That way your inputs kind of get refined day by day, and after a week, trust me, your feed will be like 10 times better in terms of quality and the kind of content that you are consuming. Get this straight. You cannot expect a different output if you're taking in the same kind of input. If you want a different output, change the kind of input that you take in. Then we have day 5, which is reset your energy. And the best part about this day is that you can do it every single morning and it works every single time. So every morning, this is what you have to do. Wake up, make your bed. Making your bed is one of the simplest and easiest way to tell yourself that you are accountable and responsible for your actions. I know it sounds silly, I know it sounds like it doesn't make sense, but trust me, do it every single day and you'll clearly see the difference. Now once you make your bed, go brush your teeth, and your first goal should be to get sunlight. Neuroscience shows that 5 to 10% of exposure to sunlight in the day can boost serotonin, balance your mood and give you dopamine hits, which is going to enhance your mood and give you that motivation to get through the day. Then on day 6, we have reset your mind. Whenever your brain feels heavy or you feel like you're overthinking, the easiest way to solve that is to grab a book, take a pen and just write things down. Write in points. It could be whatever you're thinking about, it does not matter. Just write things down. You can literally feel the wires entangling and you can finally get that mental clarity that you asked for. Also, I feel one of the reasons is that we are constantly consuming so many things. Like our phone is constantly pinging, there's calls, there's notifications, and even while eating we are watching series or movies, and I feel like the solution is to just mute everything. Just be in your room, or you can go out if you want, but just silence everything for 10-15 minutes. Just focus on your breathing. I know it sounds very spiritual, but it really works. Like, your brain is consuming a lot, it's overloading. So try to give yourself like 10 to 15 minutes where you're just sitting or you're just taking a walk, but don't use any of the technologies, just you and nature. Just be yourself and you can literally feel your brain calm down. And last but not the least, we have day 7, and that is reset your direction. Direction is very important because no matter how much work and effort you put in, if you're putting it in the wrong direction, you're never going to get results. So our first step is to define the North Star. Where are you heading towards? What is that goal that you're going towards? Now to clarify this, it's very simple. It's a 3-step process. Just write down 10 goals that you want to achieve this year. Once you have the 10 goals written, rank them in priority order. Now that you have ranked them, pick out the top 3 goals. Now these top 3 goals are your North Star. Whatever you do in your day throughout the year, it should take you closer to those top 3 goals. If it isn't, then it's just noise, you have to just cut it down. Also make sure that every single day you put in some amount of work to get you closer to those 3 goals. Again, I want to remind you that this video is just an introduction. I talk in complete depth about the 7-day process in the Ultimate 7-Day Reset, and it's completely for free. You have no reason not to get it. So go to the link in the description and grab your copy now. Also, if you want to grow with me, you can join my free community of over 200 people where they're constantly building and growing. And if you want to talk to me or anyone in the community, you can click the link in the description and join. It's completely free. If you want to know more about consistency and how I actually stayed consistent for many months now, you can click on this video, check it out. I talk in detail about consistency and discipline that I actually follow every single day. So you can click that video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.